How to add clock widgets on your desktop Windows 11. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add the widgets, and you can also you can able to add the your favorite widgets on your desktop. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first we need to go in Microsoft Store. Just open the Microsoft Store. Okay, so I show you, go to the Microsoft Store here and search for app like B widgets. Then this app, just open this app which is called B widgets. Okay, just install on your desktop and open it, and this icon, this window will be open. Now what we need to go here, you can make some settings. This is for only widgets. Okay, you can change, like if you want to run on startup, if you want to hide on startup, you can make it change from here. You can also change the appearance like colors and other themes from here, and you can also check about the this app. Okay, and here new layout. So this is the current layout from current widgets. Okay, so this is for customize your current widgets, but if you want to add the new widgets on your desktop, so we need to create on new widgets. And here by default we can see the timer has been come here. You can rename it like clock, and from here you can customize. Okay, you can change the height, width and height. You can also enable the movement. You can also make it hidden. Okay, if you want to disable the movement so it won't be movable, but I suggest you make it enable, so you can make it change the place this of this widgets, clock widget. And you can also make it always stop. You can make the unclickable. If you make the unclickable, that also you can enable to move it. So make it untick so it can, you can move it. Okay, some other changes you can make 12 hours format. You can show the seconds and other like colors and all. After change, just come up here and the widgets has done. Now just close it. Okay, but if you want to remove widgets, come again, just open this again, B widgets, and just remove from here. And as I told you, you can also add the another widgets like date, photos, finance, weather. Okay, and you can also customize from here. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.